Hey there, EagleSong Gardener here, and I will be teaching at the Vancouver Island Herb Gathering over the solstice this summer. What will I be teaching? Well, I'm going with my partner, Hawthorn, and Hawthorn and I will be doing, I have to look at this, hands-on Hawthorn recipes and remedies. And we'll be making, it's a workshop, we'll be making Hawthorn different preparations. I'll be doing an herb walk in the garden, and I'm pretty excited about this because Innisfree Farm has a beautiful herb garden with herbs from around the world, and that's going to be a really wonderful place to really think about the plants we can use and grow in our own gardens. And cooling fire with 3 remarkable trees will be the last class that I offer, and this will be willow, linden, and cottonwood, 3 amazing trees that have learned to live with fire and have a way of teaching us how to do it in our own bodies. I can hardly wait to get there this summer, and I look forward to seeing you there too. So, EagleSong Gardener signing off. I look forward to seeing you on Vancouver Island over the solstice.